milk. I'm still thinking what is the name of my cake. So maybe after I finish this, I can imagine what will be the name of my cake. So please suggest and comment below what should be the name of my cake. Because it's my own recipe. So I'm not going to use sugar. I'm just going to use condensed milk. Yeah, if you notice, I don't use sugar. So I only use condensed milk. So I don't use the measurement because we love cakes but not sweet cake. Can you imagine? We love cake but not sweet cake. So I only put a half cup of condensed milk to put a little bit of sweet. Okay, so I put 1 cup of cream. Then let's have the milk. Here's my milk. There. Mamaya sa hindi ko gawa sa chulit na matsaka. Eto, kodama no! Kodama no! Kodama no! Take years para pamatumas that I can easily dissolve the chocolate. So here, we're going to dissolve chocolate. Add water. Let's have the chocolate. Because my baby's favorite food is, favorite snack is chocolate. Chocolate. Teka, side natin. Sayang. Let's turn on the saucepan. It's so hot in Japan. That's why today we're not going to bake a cake, but we are going to make a refrigerator cake. So let me think. I'm still thinking what will be the name of my cake. Guys, please help me. Please have the comment below. What should be the name of my cake for my baby? There. We need to make sure that the chocolates are melt all, but it's okay if there's a small solid chocolate yet. Kasi after this, we're going to put now, make sure that the heat is very low. We're going to put this filling. I had a feeling. Okay, let's put this and mix this with the chocolate. Side kaya naman ito. Okay, we will mix this until we find the corn start cook and done. So that's why the heat should be low, very low. Yes. Actually, this is my first time to do this. I just only think and imagine this today. There. So next, I have here my marshmallow. We will mix the marshmallow with the chocolate cake. This a little bit of sticky, okay, but not so hard. It should not be as solid as it is. This should be soft, very soft, like a marshmallow. Okay, so we just need to make sure that the cornstarch is cooked and mixed together with marshmallow and the chocolate. I wonder what is the color. So anybody here can make a comment what is the color of this. Actually, I only imagine this as like a dark brown something. But because I put the marshmallow, I don't know what happened with the color. So this is the height of our cake. And then, let's have the cookies. Actually, our cookies is recycled cookies. There's a cheap cookies. So we're going to use the cheap cookies instead. Anybody else will know this one? What do you call this? I really don't know. I'm not a graduate of Itay! Itay! Matabas ka to. Pusha. Normal po sa bulag talaga lagi napapaso ang kamay. I want to get a shot. So, I have no choice. So, I'm going to put this chocolate fillings into these cookies. Marshmallow chocolate marshmallow with chocolate. You need to put this all here. There. So after, maybe I'll put this first. There. Maybe I'll put cookies and cream more. Because we still have some chocolates here. Let's put the cookies and cream. Right. And I'm going to crush this too. Crush up. I'm only crushing this cream. Cookies and cream. This cookies and cream is also very cheap. After putting these cookies, I added the cookies and cream because we found in the supermarket another sale cookies, recycled cookies. So it's very cheap, so we use this one. You don't need to be expensive in making cakes. You just need to be resourceful. There. So the cookies and the fillings, you should be mixed. Mix na mix? Ayan. So after this, we were going to plant this. Then, so we need to plant this. Actually, you can just do this and plant this. There. If you want to put cream on the top, it's also okay. I wonder what else that I can put on the top. So I'll show you the finish.